Hello, today you will be able to prove that the product of four consecutive natural numbers plus 1 is always a perfect square. This is an elegant property in number theory that we can demonstrate using algebra. To get a feel for this, notice that if we take the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, their product is 24. Adding 1 gives us 25, which is 5 squared. Our goal is to show this works not just for these specific numbers, but for any four consecutive numbers. Let the four consecutive numbers be x, x plus 1, x plus 2, and x plus 3. We write the expression for their product plus 1. Then, we rearrange the terms to group x with x plus 3 and x plus 1 with x plus 2. Multiplying the pairs gives us x squared plus 3x times x squared plus 3x plus 2 plus 1. To simplify, let a equal x squared plus 3x. Substituting a, we get a times a plus 2 plus 1. This expands to a squared plus 2a plus 1, which is the perfect square of a plus 1. Finally, substituting back for a, we get x squared plus 3x plus 1, all squared. This confirms that the result is always a perfect square, as required. In this scene, we will set up our algebraic expression. First, we represent our four consecutive numbers. We'll let the first number be x, which means the next three must be x plus 1, x plus 2, and x plus 3. The problem asks us to look at the product of these four numbers and then add 1. This gives us the expression you see here. To make the algebra easier to handle, let's rearrange the terms. We will pair the first and the last terms and then the two middle terms. This strategy often helps in finding common patterns. Now, let's multiply those pairs out. For the first pair, x times x plus 3x. For the second pair, x plus 1 times x plus 2 expands to x squared plus 3x plus 2. When we put them back into the expression, we get x squared plus 3x multiplied by x squared plus 3x plus 2, all plus 1. Notice how x squared plus 3x appears in both parts? This is why we rearranged them. Now, we will simplify the expression using substitution to make the perfect square pattern visible. Since the term x squared plus 3x appears twice, let's replace it with a single variable, a. This is a common technique in algebra to simplify complex expressions. When we substitute a into our expression, it becomes much simpler. We now have a multiplied by the quantity a plus 2 plus 1. If we distribute the a, we get a squared plus 2a plus 1. Does this look familiar? This is the expansion of a binomial square. We can factor this expression into a plus 1 squared. Finally, let's put our original x terms back in place of a. This gives us the quantity x squared plus 3x plus 1, all squared. Because the final result is written as something squared, we have proven that the result is always a perfect square for any natural number x. In this lesson, we met our goal of proving this property step by step. We saw how rearranging terms and using substitution revealed the hidden perfect square.